It is Monday morning. It is freaking November 13th. November already halfway gone. Good Lord, man. Share the chart in the Discord. We looking good over here. All right. What's going on with these beautiful little markets here? Solana. Should we start with Solana? Sure we should. Let's see what's happened since the daily open this week. Got a new weekly range. Hasn't been tested. 1 SD to the downside. That's right at the top of the daily range. Pretty much been tested. Guys, we got an untested monthly range at about $35 on Solana. Whether or not that gets tested, don't know at this point. I've been back still looking at that. And like I said, BTC and Sol, they were hovering around the top of their monthly ranges the day before the close. I usually don't like doing that, but I'll go with like the last hour of 15-minute candles if it goes down to test that area before the new open. But it was down there all day. It was down there literally all day, bouncing around that area. A little higher than where it actually came in, but percentage-wise, I'll go for it. Crypto's pretty bullish right now, too. But yeah, so Sol is down around the 1 SD. We're running like 4-hour distribution levels right now. Just hit the 1 SD on the 4-hour to the top side after bouncing from the bottom side of the daily 68.3 Laplace distribution range. Actually came back down to the bottom side of the 4-hour, then up to the 1 SD on the 4-hour. Oh, yeah, that is right. Let me see something right here. Let's take a look on Sol on the daily. I mean, we can't go any higher than the 3-day, really. Look at the 3-day chart on Sol. Things still trending. We got some bear div. We're breaking the zero mean right now. But as long as this, people are definitely taking profits. As long as the buy pressure eats up the sell pressure, is not a problem. But I'll tell you what, that's a hell of a pullback. It's literally almost a 50% pullback. Let me see here. Yeah, buddy. So trending on the 3-day still. Trending on the 2-day still. Entropy's turning back up. It has the whole time, though. Just keeps dropping back in there. It's still trending. It is still trending for sure. And we're contracting. Negatively correlated. Yeah. Exactly. The 981, 2400 are contracting, negatively correlated. Still just hammering out at 100 percentile, and the 525 positively correlated. This 2-day looks strong. So does the power mean band. Good Lord. Haven't had a variance outlier here. Variance is coming back down. It's positively correlated. We're gonna have to see how that plays out. By looking at the volatility, it looks okay to me. What about the daily? Just riding the power mean band. Trending. No bear div on the daily. Good Lord. Actually, in the process, from the cross anyway, setting up some hidden bull. Let's see if we get down to the bottom side of the second standard deviation band on the returns oscillator here. That would set up a lot of hidden bull div. I'm going to go down here and what time frame we test setting up on this wave trend. I don't believe the 4-hour got pretty close to it back here last Thursday. We're sending wicks into the top side of the 4-hour power mean band. Haven't closed another candle above the 9 log MA. Blow this up. What are these MAs doing? Log return moving averages for the win. We don't use lagging indicators here. I just saw a thumbnail earlier on YouTube doing a really good analysis. What did it say? Macro time frame, EMA analysis. It's like you're using lagging indicators, man. Come on. There's no analysis to be done. You're playing yourselves. I have a feeling this 90 minutes is probably tapping the wave trend all along here. Let's see if I'm right. I haven't looked at these charts all weekend. Oh, yeah, baby. Right there. A little tap. At the top side of the power mean band. This still looks good. Look at this random walk. Good Lord. Let me go back to this 4-hour. I didn't look at the volatility. Wow. Okay, volatility is printing zeros, the 525. See, we got the 981 contracting positively correlated. 2400, kind of flat positive, which is not good either. Unless it's at 100 percentile, which is, you know what it is? It's contracting a little bit, to be honest. So they're both positive. Let's see what happens low time frame here. What is that? There we go. Let's see here. Returns oscillator. Was there any div? Let This thing's pretty clean. I mean, it is actually setting up some hidden bear right now. It's okay, though. I do not like all these wicks into the top side getting rejected like that. Let me see something. 49. So, oh, look at the wave trend now on the daily. Wave trend on the daily is at 33.80. That's below that monthly range. Guys, it's not even halfway through the month. And another thing on Solana, guys, this red cross line right here, that's the top of the monthly volatility range. If you guys didn't notice that. And last week, that was the top of the weekly. Of course it rejected from there. Powerful, nice little rejection. So we literally, it's only the 13th. Guys, we've got a lot of this month left. And Solana is hanging up around the top of the monthly range. Yeah. Do I think we're going to get this massive pullback, though? I don't know, man. Hard to say. This is exact, and I don't care how you're out there analyzing these markets. If you think you can nail down this macro or what cryptocurrency is going to do next, good luck. This is why we trade low time frame volatility. That's where all the action is. That's where the algos are playing. That's where I choose to play as well. Swing trading, macro time frames. No thanks. I like my money.
It's going to go up, down, or sideways.
Exactly. Who likes their money? Everybody likes their money. You don't like losing it. That's for damn sure. You do not like losing it. Unless you got billions of dollars, then it really doesn't matter. But yeah, man. A lot of people could use help in this world, though. So you're out there pissing away billions of dollars. You need a smack. Let's see. What are we doing here? And be careful out there, guys, with the news. And I'm not talking about just trading news. The manipulation is wow. It is so high right now. There is so much propaganda going on. It is just crazy, man. Oh my goodness.
It's a scam.
It is a scam. So the daily, I am looking at that wave trend, and it is climbing fast too. Right about here is where the top of that monthly is. 35.5, right in that area right there. 5.5. What's that? Top side? Whew. Top side of the 2-day power mean band. All right, back to this 4-hour. Variance coming down, negatively correlated. Interesting. Like I said, though, this thing is setting up hidden bear, rejecting off of the top side of the power mean band. Now, can it break outside the 4-hour power mean band again? Sure it can. Sure it can. Like I said, the 90-minute came back down, tested the wave trend right back here, I believe, right here. Boom. 2 times, really. This still looks really bullish. Until I at least see like 4-hour. If I see the 4 hours come down here to wave trend and bounce, hey, no problem at $50, all right? It's an $8 drop. You start closing candles below that 33 log MA and the wave trend on the 4 hour. That could initiate a little sell-off. That could initiate those algos to turn on the sell mode. 45. Hidden bear on the 45 too. Wow, tightened up. We're going to get a move. Damn, I ran out of creamer, man. I'm drinking some black gold right now. Woo! It's got me stirring in my britches. All right, let's see here. 33-minute. Tomorrow, Taco Tuesday. Okay, you're in between them.
You can see it appears that we are going down.
Yeah, this is interesting right here. Got a reverse wave trend, which the third, this is what I'm looking at. What time frame has the power mean band broke down? Yeah, pretty much the 33. It's barely hanging on here on the 45. 33-minute though. You got the you got the power mean band. Pretty much all the log MAs below reverse Fisher. Sent this wick down, 99 log MA, right back up to the reverse Fisher. Now it's back to the wave trend. Wow. Let's see here. And I mean, we're pretty much, let me blow this up real quick. Yeah, the 981 is at about a 98.7, 525, 100%, 93.5 for the 2400. It's volatility. It's about, market open, huh? What's that dollar doing? What's that dollar doing? Yeah, looks like the market's getting a little beat up. Gold. We're going to go to gold next. Gold is, we talked about it last week. A lot of people emotionally attached to that gold. Am I emotionally attached to Bitcoin?
You are not getting money back.
Absolutely.
Get out of my way.
I'm absolutely emotionally attached to my Bitcoin. That's why when I trade Bitcoin, low time frame scalps. I'm not swing traded. I'm not giving away my Bitcoin, man. That's just stupid. Yes, the whale wars. Let's see here. So even on the 15, try to get back up above. Let me see something real quick. Your big dog out there raising hell. It's great too. There he is. When all the leaves fall, you can see back through the property. There's the top of the other side of the ravine. I see him out there running around. Sticks out like a sore thumb. The big white wolf running through the brown forest. He just sticks out. Yeah, he's a good boy. Yeah, 15-minute. I mean, my God. I mean, over the weekend, just by looking at this data set, the scalps on the 1 minute were just, holy crap. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh no, pattern traders. Whoa, we got a big, what would you call that, wedge or something? I don't even remember. Stop drawing your patterns. You're going to get yourself in trouble. All right, let's pop over Sol. Yeah. And Solana. Solana pretty much leading this market. Of the bigs, right? We got some rando cryptocurrency coins that are doing all kinds of crap, but yeah, man. Solana's ranked, I think, 7 now. Pretty good, man. Pretty freaking good. Yeah, there's rankings. Of course there's rankings. Hippopotamuses. BTC, though, was the top of the weekly tested. Absolutely. Once right there, wick right to it. Then a wick right to the first standard deviation to the downside. Beautiful. Get up above that daily range, Bitcoin. Get up above that daily range. That's what we want to see. So boom, boom. And remember, Bitcoin and Solana are pretty correlated. Not pretty correlated, real correlated. So I'm not going to go too deep into BTC's charts. Let me check gold real quick, see what's happening here. What's Dixie doing? Dixie falling off a little bit. Where's go? Uh-oh. You're right at the center of that monthly, where we called when gold was literally, Jesus, beginning of the month. Don't even remember what the price was, but this was definitely one of my targets. Did it hit? Absolutely it did. Absolutely. I mean, to the dollar. Let's be real here. And this is the VEPS, right? This is the VEPS. This isn't me. This will just take somebody that understands how to read this. Boy, is this monthly range going to break on gold? You got, is the weekly tested? Not really. 1948? 1948, is the bottom of the new weekly range. These bears pushed this down to make sure it opened up below. And now you literally have a daily below the weekly. This keeps dropping. Gold's going to fall again. Here, let me scale this down a little bit. Where's the bottom? Cannot remember exactly. Let's see here. Come on. Come up for me, baby. There you go. We're almost there. I'm pretty sure, what was it, 1910 or something? It was like 1910, if I remember. There we go. 1909.96. Hey, man, not bad. It's only off 4 cents. What are you going to do, man? Can't be right all the time. Down there, the bottom is at the first support level. First support level on the weekly volatility range. About 1913.5 area. All right. Let's see how Dixie played out with the close, or with the new weekly open. Already tested that weekly. There it is right there. Rejected off the center of the daily, right to the top of the weekly. Now you're back up above the daily. Look out, man. I've been talking about the dollar all month. Now, since we got the new weekly test, there you go. I'm surprised we have not got back in this monthly range, to be honest. Look out, it's heading there. 106.357 bottom side. Remember, it's a tight monthly range for today. By the end of the week, if this data set's up above like 106.6, it could go on a run. All right, I know I had 107 something targeted. Let me go over here real quick on Dixie. Let's get on these macro time frames. Got a new week. Let's see this thing set up. Dixie's back down here testing. Let me spread this out. 9 log MA. Yep, indeed. Now you're sitting at the top side right now. Let's see. On the 5-day, I mean, variant returns still below the mean. Variance still rising. Dixie's playing hardball, though. You see the 3-day. Actually, yeah, top side of the power mean band. Got a nice big range here between wave trend. Let me look at the perfect tap of the wave trend. Of course. And if you're new, you ever hear me talk about Fisher or wave trend? Reverse models. I'm talking about the reverse models. That's why I'm sure I'm talking wave trend. People are like, that's not a wave trend indicator. I know what a wave trend indicator looks like. Guys, this is a reverse wave trend. We do things a little differently here at Alpha Trading. Indeed.
But we do have their pair counterparts wrapped up in our nice ways.
Yes. Yes.
Together make it very, very directional.
Yeah. Look at 106.6. Top side of the 3-day power mean band. 106.6. Top side of the monthly. Doing. Ding. See if this runs back up to the top side of the power mean band. What about the 2-day? I need to beef the RAM up on this thing. I'm on it. I got my old iMac in there. I gotta go pull the old iMac out of the box. Let's see here. Get my lasso, grab the RAM out of the back. That's what I love about these iMacs, man. Got the chip port right in the back. Just unplug. Boop, boop. Pop it open. Pop it in. Sounds like I'm going to the brothel. What is happening right now? I mean, came down and tested that 33 log MA. Telling you, man. Dixie looking strong.
These nuts.
Yeah, and like I said, on the daily, the 9 and 33 log MA returns above the mean. Variance is rising. What's the top side up here? Again, top side of the dailies is up in that monthly range. I think we're going to get there this week. Indeed. 106.4, 106.6. Pretty much these macro time frames have got that monthly range mapped out pretty well. That's right. The sharks are in the tank. Let's see where this 4-hour pulled back to. Got a big, nasty pullback on that 4-hour. Gonna jack me up on my 4-hour UPM. Let's not do that. You be nice. Populate for me. Sitting right at the, God, is that the 99? Yeah, man. Having trouble getting above the 99. Look at, so you go down on the 4-hour reverse Fisher, 106.2. Is that about the bottom of the monthly? Pretty damn close, man. Yeah, a little higher. It's actually first resistance level on the weekly. Everybody needs a good workflow. Let's see if this 4-hour candle can close above 105.975. I'd like to see it close above 106. How much time, though? How much time we got left on this 4-hour? 3 hours and 20 minutes. Well, yeah, it's all good. 1 o'clock, they say. That's Eastern Standard Time. Don't dox yourself, Bilbo. Oh, it doesn't matter. Everybody knows I live in the middle of the woods. Yeah. Yep. And if you're going to come find me, let me know ahead of time so you don't get surprised. Don't be coming on the property unannounced. Might not be a good idea.
You win.
Let's see. 4-hour. I mean, all this. Since a lot of these nice little pumps, even Dixie's in a random walk. Got a lot of randomness going on. Let's see here on the 90-minute. Oh, yeah. Dixie actually had a good weekly close. Let me see here. There's one thing you will not find from YouTube Jimmy, analysis like this, right? Number one, they're having enough trouble trying to read lagging charts, let alone build a workflow into leading information. It's not easy, man. You get it down, though. If you come in this Discord and you just study, you read the chats, you interact, guys, it's no joke. It's no joke. There's a reason why we all do this. We could trade a million different ways. We all prefer the VEPS. I mean, it's just packed full of incredible leading information across the board. Yes. 45 minutes stabilizing up here above the power mean band. While that wave trend, look at the log, all the log MAs on the 45. Were they on the 90? Yep. Returns above the mean, variance rising. Boy, it really looks like Dixie's wanting to, I mean, all last week, man, this thing was just wanting to pop. Going into trend. Is the 90 going into trend? It's starting to drop. All the prediction models are to the top side. But you got the 45 going to blow out the deviation band. That's usually what happens, man. You know, you get a real tight deviation band on the entropy. Boom, you get a big massive trend that sets a precedent, right, for the next moves to come down, for the entropy to hit those levels. Pretty powerful. I've had people ask me before, you got what deviation bands on everything? Yeah, man. Yeah, it's leading information. You need to know where these areas are at. 33-minute. All right, everything's starting to flip up. Look at that. Look at the wave trend turning up. Beautiful. Didn't cross down. Reverse Fisher. The daily close today on Dixie's going to be pretty important. Pretty important indeed. Let me see this 15-minute. What's going on in the market too? Yeah. SPY's getting jacked up right now, huh? Came down, tested the 9 log MA. So the 99 is still, the returns are still above the mean, variance rising. The 9 and the 33 kind of stabilizing. Variance is pretty flat. Let's see here. All right. Now. Let me go over here. Pop this on Dixie. We're on daily. Noon. Let's go to the 5-day. Damn, you could put this coffee in a literal gas tank. I bet this thing would run my chainsaw and lawnmower. Good Lord. Oh. Let's see here. Interesting. That's the 5-day, huh? Let me pull this down a little more. Let's scale this down a little more. There we go. Had to turn the resolution down on the candles a little bit. It was obscuring my deviation levels. Let's see here. Things you don't have to do when you trade traditional TA, right? You don't have to worry about any of that. But when you got all these current candle deviation levels, very important. What's the top side here? 107.6, 100.21. All right, and that's a 5-day. Interesting. Let me put gold on here. I'm going to do traditional first. Boy, you're sitting right on that RMLR. That's a 7 too. Or the 7, Jesus. The 11 length. Woo! Gold. That's the 5-day. Oh, gold. What's this 33 down here at? 1871. Oh, no! Peter Schiff. Oh. That poor guy, man. God, he gets trolled so much. Oh, he's way too outspoken. Dogging Bitcoin. Oh, data feeders. It's okay.
Yeah, you can see the picture. We're going down.
Yeah.
Pretty sure his portfolio doesn't mind, but yeah.
Yeah. 11 crossing down the 30 right now. We got 1915, 1865. That would, I'll tell you what, just coming back right here. coming back to that 30 RMLR. That would be a little closer to the bottom of that monthly range, right? With the 1909, almost 1910. 3-day, 2-day. See gold. Yeah, man. What do we got? There we go. 1880, huh? 1880. Nice mean reversion. Does that mean it's going to mean revert to the 30 as well? See something real quick. Very well could be. We say 80. Oh boy, come down to the 99 on the 5-day. I don't know about that, but the way it's looking, it's not going to set up any hidden bull, right? I don't think this thing's going to set up. I mean, it's at the 2 SD band. It's got a ways to drop to, considering this is a 5-day random walk. Volatility contracting, positively correlated on the 525. Let's see, 2400. Either way, contracting or flat, it's negatively correlated. Good to go. Same with the 981. Hey, man. Hey, gold. Well, you're trying. I'll give you that. Okay, we retested the wave trend on the 3-day. And this is what I was talking about on the 5-day. See? No hidden bull. No hidden bull. Got a higher low. That variance changed on the 3-day. It's negatively correlated. See the 2-day. Yeah, you got to be quick to follow me too. I bounce around assets like it's my job. Okay, we are sitting right at the 2-day wave trend. Bottom side of the power mean band, 1894. It's that log MA. There we go. Right there. 1911.86, man. That's a 99 log MA. That's about the bottom of that monthly. Yeah, man. Yeah. I wouldn't be a bit surprised. Especially if Dixie gets up over 106, I wouldn't be a bit surprised to see the bears jump on the elevator, dump out gold, 20 points or something next couple days. Let's see what happens. Just reading the VEPS, man. This is not my opinion. This is what I'm seeing in the charts. And there you go. That's even supporting it more. You're below wave trend on the daily, and the wave trend's rejecting from Fisher. That is never good. There you go. There's some more confluence down there. Right about where that was at on the 2-day. 1913. That was the 99 log MA. 33 is that right there. 33 power mean, and the bottom side of the power mean band on the daily is right there as well. Let me see here. I mean, this thing's, look, you got a bunch of bull, you got some bull divs starting right about here, but guys, it's hidden bear too, and you're below wave trend. All right, so what's that leading information telling me? Tell me I'm not going to long gold. I'll tell you that. No. Like bias, straight up this week, bias on gold would not be to the top side. I would be pulling risk off if I scalped gold to the top side. This thing's really looking weak. When are people going to get the correct narrative on gold, man? There's no supply cap. For God's sakes, why would you invest in that? I'm going to go dig a hole and pull some more gold out of the ground, send it into the supply. What if they start mining asteroids and other planets and shit? There's a lot of gold out there. A lot of gold. Now, Bitcoin, on the other hand, it's a different story. Yeah, it's a different story. And it's not manipulated. The metals market, hey, look, if you haven't figured it out by now, you're lost. We can't help you if you don't realize how manipulated the metals market is. Guys, it's ridiculous. It's bad. It's criminal. Put it that way. It's criminal. Oh, boy. But this chart is actually, I mean, this thing on the 4-hour, though, you're below the power mean band. But remember earlier, I said I wouldn't be a bit surprised to see this thing did pop up about 15 points. Yeah. Wave trend, 1962. It's the bottom side of this bad boy. I don't know, man. This could ride this power mean band down. The lower I go on these time frames, the more bearish gold looks. I want to see what this returns oscillator does on the 4-hour, though. And this 4-hour candle's closing in 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Oh boy, oh boy. Gold, you close this 4-hour below this 33? I would imagine it's going to drop pretty quick to about 1928. Yeah, I see that coming. Let me see here on the 4-hour. 1928. Yeah, you're in no man's land, but see the 90-minute. Oof. God, if you're a gold holder, that's just ugly, man. Ugly. This thing is ramping down from their rejection off the reverse Fisher as the power mean band. I mean, tried right there. Not having it, man. Not having it. Bears are in control. Sell pressure for the win on gold. Yeah, I can say that without even looking at order flow or anything. It's just, hello. That's what leading information does for you. Put your charts together correctly and tells you all you need to know. Tells you all you need to know. And there's some, like I said, man, there's bull div on these low time frames. There's no doubt about it. So we're going to come back up, test some wave trends. 1942 could be in range here at some point today. That's why on the soundboard, it could go up, down, or sideways. Right? Up, down, or sideways. Correlation breaks all the time.
It's going to go up, down, or sideways.
That's good shit. That's a great voice. How much should we have to pay that voice model to do that? Oh, shit. He's our very own.
You are not getting money back. Get out of my way.
God, this 15 minutes. I'm going to say gross. Gross is a good word to use. Volatility fell off a cliff, too. 525 is printing zeros. 22 minutes after market open. But remember, I think some of these wave trends are going to get tested. But does that happen before this thing drops off? Tough to say right now. This is not looking healthy, though. I mean, look how tight the freaking power mean band is. And let's see, the 9 and 33 log MA returns below the mean. Variance rising. God, right there. Wave trend crossed up Fisher for a sec. Tell you what, this next close is going to drop right down back below probably. Trending to the downside. It kind of hit the deviation band and halted. All right. That's enough on gold. That's enough on gold. Let me go over and check SPY. Oof. Whoops. There we go. I was like, SPY's down 18 points. What the hell? That was the S&P. Oh shit. Blow this up. Check it out. Little 5-day. Well, low length volatility is contracting, negatively correlated. See, 981, 2400 contracting positive, which is worse. 981 is still expanding, and it's positively correlated. Yeah, and what are we getting? Doji, man. Nice little doji. Volatility is saying, let's create a little baby doji. Let's have a little baby. Let's see, hidden bear div on the S&P on the 5-day. Well, you lucky you're above Fisher. Good Lord, you're above Fisher in the 9 log MA. Wave trends down here at 424. Let's see if this hidden bear plays out. Let's see if the hidden bear plays out. Random walk. 3-day. Where's this at? Total random walk. Total random walk in between 33 power mean, reverse wave trend. Let's wave trend that down here. 428. 10 points, huh? No div. Clean chart here on the 2-day. And you just sent a wick right into the 33 earlier. 441. Yeah, close anyway. No, it was what? 439.59. Roger freaking that. Let's see here. Contracting volatility, negatively correlated. Everything's contracting negative. That's why I remember when I was talking about, is the dollar going to go? Or what's the dollar going to do first? We'll find out. Got some hidden bull. But to look at the returns oscillator, like, no thanks. It's going to turn down on the freaking, it's going to turn down and create some bear. Yeah, so there was definitely some hidden bull. Not having it though, man. Entropy trend was to the top side. But hell, that was Friday. That was Friday. Let's see what happens. Today will be a pretty important close going into the rest of the week, in my opinion. Getting ready to break the zero mean on the 4 hour with some bear div. Wee! Got a couple stabs heading into it. It is a random walk. Prediction model still to the top side though. Volatility is expanding, positively correlated. 981 though is expanding negative, but you got 2400 expanding positive. This thing's gonna end up a little doji, a little baby doji. It already is a little baby doji. Got a little pretty guy. Oh, he's a little fat, a little chubby, little chubby Chinese baby. Look at him. Cute. I guess all babies are chubby, aren't they? Come on. Let's go. Oof. Yeah, you get down here on the 90-minute. Everything's expanding, negatively correlated.
Brain dance!
It's down there. 432. Yeah, traditional market's starting to get juicy for me. I'm going to be getting back. Maybe tomorrow. Trade some intraday options. What do we say? Yay! VIX up 6%, huh? VIX up 6%. Got any big dumpers? Of course, natural gas is going up. Oil up 6%. Monday. Oil had a nice turnaround, man. That thing was down around, 72 or something? Back up to some 78. Indeed. Adobe and Amazon down. What are these airlines doing, man? Last Monday they were up. Airlines are up. At least Boeing, or no, hell, that's Boeing. It's not airline. Let's see. There's Delta. Nah, they're still down. Boeing, of course, Boeing's up. Why wouldn't it be? Wartime. Fuck. We live in a twisted society. Excuse me. Let's see. Where are we going here? Bond yields are creeping again. Almost back 4.7. 10 years moving again. Remember, that thing was almost up to 5, and I think it dropped all the way back down into the 4.4 something range. Let's see. Soy, huh? Stop eating soy, boys. Stop eating soy. That shit is not good for you. Why do you think all these freaking vegans look the way they do? Let's go take a big bite out of a bull's ass. Give me a big steak. Well, there's that save again. Weren't we talking about this last week? Yeah, Spirit Airlines up 6.26. Good Lord. Spirit Airlines. Interesting. Is that the airlines the lady was flying where she saw the freaking ghost or whatever? What airline was that? It's pretty funny. All the memes that came out of that. Okay, so the 45-minute tested wave trend. Man, this thing does not look good. It does not look good.
Was she not flying Spirit Airlines?
Was she?
No, I'm just kidding.
I know.
She should have been.
Yeah, she should have been for sure.
I think she was on United or Delta. No, I don't know.
She has some total freak out. She's probably just coming down off a fucking acid trip or something on the plane. Did you see the other videos about her? She's like on there apologizing for her actions. And it's like, what the hell? Wow. people.
Well, I mean, I'm sure she feels pretty embarrassed by if all of her, friends or colleagues were like teasing her.
Meanwhile, there's all kinds of articles. You know what these idiots is what they were doing? They would take, because airplane parts are expensive. So when airplanes would get like decommissioned for their age or whatever, they take any parts that are still working off of it and start using them as spare parts on other planes, and especially like planes that would crash. They would take any good parts still, and they would take those parts, put them in new planes, and people started realizing that there was just weird articles, man. People were seeing ghosts on the planes. And so I forget what airline it was. So they took they figured that's what it was. So they took all the parts off because they put a bunch of parts off a crashed plane, took the parts off, ghosts were gone. It's like, wow.
The Ghost of Flight 401.
The Ghost of Flight 401. Is that what
That's
it was?
That's what it is. There's a movie. I know somebody who bought the gallery, the Gallup or whatever, and then was sold back to Eastern and then sunk off Miami.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. You saw an aberration of the pilot.
Oof.
But there's much smaller parts that are only made by like one or two suppliers, and it happens quite frequently that there are like shortages in supply.
Right.
And so they do borrow obviously off of carcasses, old planes or mothball planes or whatever. They definitely do that. I mean, why? I mean, they should scavenge or they should use parts that are reusable as long as they test the quality and everything.
Holy moly!
Because they can be quite expensive, those parts.
Here goes Spirit. I mean, let's be honest. This thing just dumped the hell out bad. Remember, Spirit was just getting jacked up, getting a little. Here, put a little ghost. Woo! Scary, spooky. Got spooky little ghosts. Good Lord. Yeah, this thing's still a total shitcoin. I would highly recommend not flying this airline. Look, it just did a nosedive into the Atlantic. Wow. Yeah.
What, did this come out about Spirit?
I'm just making shit up as I go, man.
Well, that's fair enough.
Yeah, no, I have no idea. I have no clue.
Well, they were supposed to be bought by JetBlue, but it got denied.
Oh, gotcha.
So if you look at that, that's why you see that huge sell-off a few months ago.
Yeah.
You think they got JetBlue balls?
JetBlue balls.
Whee! There's a 5-day. Man, that thing just went. Is that the denial? Back what, October 26th?
Yeah, whatever happened. No, the denial was earlier than that, but something. I'm just wondering if you had.
Yeah, it's been selling off.
Story on they're based here in Detroit and Fort Lauderdale, so I've been flying them for 35 years.
Maybe this was it right here. Big dump off there. Back in that's February of 20. No, that was part of the old scamdemic. Yeah, but since this local high here, man, this thing it was up at $40. This thing's down under 10 now. Jesus. Yeah, right here, man. It just fell off a cliff. Bears jumped on the elevator and said, "We are going down." There is no bull div to be seen at all. Damn. Brutal. Yeah, everything's. It's like the Russell is leading to the downside here. These indexes. What's Triple Q doing? Down 6.63. Yeah, let's look at these ranges. Come on. Dixie. Let's see. Where's SPY's new range? We're right in the weekly right now. Right in the weekly. A lot tighter. I mean, last week, big range. This week, not so much. Not so much. First support level down here at about, what is that at? 436. Where's the bottom of the weekly? Is that baby all the way down here? It is. Let me see here. 427, 428. Bottom of the weekly range. Is this monthly going to get retested? Quite possibly. Quite possibly. It's about 15 points below. Fairly tight monthly. For a monthly range. But I mean, this thing is, where's that daily at? Center of the daily above the center of the weekly. They're both above the monthly. Got a lot of support. Let's see what happens. This first day of the week. I mean, this close will be important. You close below this weekly, this thing could slide. This thing could definitely slide. There's a first resistance level on the monthly, 434.5. 434.5. All right. Let's see where triple Q's is at. Same. A little bit wider of a range, but yeah, same look. Today's close is going to be important. You see here, 372. How far? I'm telling you, man, if these SPY and triple Qs close below their weekly here today or tomorrow, I can see by the end of the week this thing being down in these support levels on the weeklies. Let's see, what is that? Triple Q, about a little under 360. That's the same, about 15 points. Let's see. Yeah, the old Russell. Let's get the Russell ETF. Oof. Where is this weekly at? Below the weekly. So you can sell off though. It's a nice little test right there, right before the close. I mean, sold off a little bit. Got back inside the 1SD. This is looking the weakest of them all. I'm telling you, man. Especially today, you close below this center of the monthly. Good. Hell, if it closes some 15-minute candles below there, this thing could easily do a 1SD bottom of the monthly range run. It's at 166. About 6.5 points. Definitely in the cards. Definitely in the cards. Dixie, though. Dixie's struggling, man. Dixie is struggling. Just talked about that. Maybe going to give a little breather here. If Dixie falls off, gold will test those higher levels first. I see gold making its way back down, though. The macro chart's just, oof. Exactly the opposite of the crypto. And silver is just getting roughed up. Still, let's check silver's ranges. Come on. Boop. Wow. And see, this is the kind of stuff I look for. You open up the new week, and it makes a run. Actually close the 15-minute candle above the top side of the 68.3. There's the bottom of the weekly at the center of the monthly. Percentage-wise, close enough for a test. Indeed. You got it. The data said it's at least got a run for it. When you immediately sell off, I'm just looking at those ranges, foaming at the mouth. That's why like Solana and Bitcoin, top of their monthlies. If you look at the last day of that previous month, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. That thing was just staying right at that top side of that new monthly range. If you look at all the wicks they were throwing down into it that last day, doing something new. It's not like I thought this indicator was going to stay the same forever. I mean, these data sets do new things. And they are definitely doing new things. I mean, we're closing outside daily, weekly, not a monthly ranges really. But yeah, man, it's happening. It's happening. Silver just looking bad. Jesus. Let me throw this on the chart. What's he barking at? Hey, there's a trash guy. You better stop. Good job, boys. That's right. Pick up that garbage. The bags are always heavy as shit too because I burn all the paper, right? So it's just all the glass and yeah. Oh shit. Hold on for a second.
Watch your profanity.
Hey. Sure he's not out here messing with me. I don't want the dog. I don't want the dog messing with the trash guys. They got it hard enough. They got it hard enough about a big white wolf chasing them around. Okay, silver on that. God, silver. Boy, oh boy. You're below the power mean band. You're below everything as this is flipping around. You silver bugs better freaking hit the buy buttons or something. These algos are about to take you out. Variance rising on the 3-day. Negatively correlated. Prediction models of the downside. Everything's contracting, positively correlated. God, I'm glad I don't hold silver. Does not look too healthy. 2-day 2, man. Oof. 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 Outlier on the 2-day. Outlier to the downside. Yes, yes. Damn. Damn. What are we doing? What's that 2400 doing? It's positively correlated. Definitely was contracting. It's flat. 981 contracting positive. At 525, it is expanding. Positively correlated. But this is setting up for exactly what you're getting. Big fat bodied doji. Looks like one of those double-sided lightsabers. Yeah, good stuff, man. It's a Sith, though. Sith Lord saber. Somebody's got to be a Sith. What the hell? Can't all be Jedis. Wouldn't need a Jedi if there weren't Sith. So what are you going to do? Okay. Ooh, big doji here, man. Volatility's nice, slow contraction. You got the 981 and the 525 pretty buried. Little contraction negatively correlated. Yeah, I mean, this is all the signs of a nice doji. Little baby doji. Where's my UPM? Oh, yeah? Oh, shit. I'm not going to populate on the 4-hour? I need you. Come on. Need more coffee. Jesus. Got a mouthful of grounds right there. Yikes. Gotta add water in there. Okay. Man, you are way below the power mean band here on the 4-hour. But this is looking very bearish. But at the same time, about time for mean reversion. So silver up here on the RMLRs, man. 5-day. Start on 5-day. Oof, boy, that looked ugly right there. Was that 2-day or 3-day? Damn. That is never good when you're below both. 3-day. Okay, yellow target there, 21.32. Heading down there. You know, this is on the 3-day. Yeah, just open. Of course it did. New week, baby. New week. So this thing's going to close, what, Wednesday? Yeah. 21.32. Oh, boy. Yikes. Yikes! That is not good. Not good. Let's see here. There we go.
Got him!
20.26. 20 and a quarter, huh? 1.8. Are rejecting. You got down below. And silver. Out of everything I've looked at so far, silver is looking really bearish. I mean, gold does as well, but yeah, farther you drop down here, man. At the 11, rejecting off the 30. You're below both. I mean, silver's got work to do. You go all the way down on the 4-hour. This thing needs to get up above 22, right there, 22.69. Can't believe this isn't 22.420 down here. That would just set it up. I would have to screenshot that. It's okay, though. Got the 69 on the top side. Beautiful. Let's see what this 90 is looking like. Some hope. Some hope. That's what I was looking for. Where are we going to get an RMLR here? 21.9. 21.9. Already tested it. Look at the low today. 21.88. Came down, tested that 11 length RMLR. Bounced back up. All right, here's a little hope. 22.6. That'd be a hell of an intraday move there. Half a point. You see here, 45 minute. Show me, show me. There it is. Oof. 21.8. All right. It's a 33 minute. $21.8 again. Wow. 8. Literally pretty much found like one time frame, one freaking TF where top side. Everything else, man, this is not looking good. Does it pull it out? Let's see where this 15-minute candle closes. Can you get up above these RMLRs? Because you got the 11 crossing up the 30. You get up here and start closing 15-minute candles above, we could run up to some of these deviation bands. Maybe silver pulls out of the hole a little bit, but I'll tell you what, you better get on. These bulls better get on. If they don't, they're going to get ran out of here. That's tough. You're rejecting off the bottom side of the 68.3. Bouncing off the 1 SD. Already sent a wick right to the first support level on the weekly. Without like I said, it ran. It started running towards it. You got into the daily. Pretty much rejection off the daily range. Honest, man. You see 15-minute candle close down here below this first weekly resistance level? I'm talking about today or tomorrow. That's when we could see that slide down there. Maybe the second support level on the weekly. Yeah, silver looking weak. Copper, though. Jesus. What's up, Warlord? Got your copper mines going, bub?
What's up?
Copper up 1.66. Yeah. Did you talk about the metals? Copper is like punching gold and silver in the face.
Wow. That's pretty good little rip from it over there.
Yeah, copper looks all right, man. Intraday. Hell, what was the low? 3.58? Yeah. Right down here. That 4-hour candle, 68.3, and it just ran. Ran. Closed that 4-hour above the 1 SD. It was hiding right under there. There's the 295.4 Laplace. Yeah, that last candle closed right up by the 95.4 Laplace. Yeah, this thing just been running. It's back up above its monthly range. Damn, copper. Copper looks good out of the metals. Gold and silver look wrecked.
It would be interesting to see if oil is correlated at the current moment.
With copper?
If they're both going up in price, it would make sense.
Yeah.
If oil's going down and copper's going up, then there's someone needing it for something.
Oil's up. Oil's up almost 0.1. Here's oral. Let's see where these ranges are.
That's pretty good correlation.
Yep. Weekly tested. Came back down. Sent a wick down below. Bulls are like, no, we're climbing up into this weekly more. Okay. Good on you. Good on you. Except I don't want oil to go up. Let me go put premium in the Challenger today and fill it up first. It's brutal. It's like driving a diesel truck. Fucking premium. Premium's about as much as diesel right now. Like $4.50 a gallon.
Dude, that's insane.
Not good when you hit the accelerator and you can literally hear it. You can just hear the gas sucking. It's all about smiles per gallon, not miles per gallon, right? And it's a beautiful sunny day. High's supposed to be like 55. Oh, that Hemi gonna be breathing cool air. Oh!
Yeah, you have more fun in that thing than you would at the club. So it's like
100%. 100%.
Weekend car, and you can shred the thing, and it's so worth it.
Yeah. Somebody gave me the choice. You want to go drive the Challenger on a nice sunny day, or do you want to go to the club and check out some chicks? I'd be like, chicks are a pain in my ass right now. Let's go drive the Challenger. Now, 20, 30 years ago, it would have been a no-brainer. I'm at the club.
Yeah, boy. Taking the Challenger to the club.
Yeah. Can you valet park this thing right out front? Let the ladies know who's driving. Thank you. Jesus.
Parking lot beers.
I mean, down in Miami, we were clubbing a little bit. I was dragging aloe vera's drunk ass around. I didn't work out. Yeah, we picked up another chick. She helped do that. Miami's a trip. Jesus. What a freak show that joint is. What a freak show. Fun though. Had a good time. Just wore me out. Let's see here. Had to draw a treasure map where I buried my weed on the beach. I didn't know they were going to be frisking everybody going into the venue. I'm like, God damn. I mean, they were going through everything. Looking at people's bags, running you through metal detectors, which, hey, I'm all for a safe event. But yeah. I was like, yeah, I don't want to take the chance. Weed's not legal down here. Medically it is, but I don't want to get myself in any pickle. You never know. It's a bummer. You come out of the venue and it's dark. You get out your treasure map, you find it, and you go, and there's like a pile of like 6 people sitting right where it's buried on the beach. I was like, hey, can you guys move for a second? They're just looking at me. It's like I buried my weed right there. I made their night. When I dug that up, they were just, what? What?
You give them a little bit to keep them quiet.
Nah, they were just fine. They were drunk off their ass. Last thing they needed was a hit off of that stuff. They wouldn't have made it off the beach probably. Oh my God. That's right. Yeah, it's all good.
That's a clever way to do it, Cobra. You're you're very veteran at that. At the party.
I was like a little dog digging a hole. Pretty funny, man. Pretty freaking funny. It was crude. 10:22, huh? I've been going an hour. Yeah, we got nothing in here. Nothing in the live chat. I'll throw a good morning in there with old Stepstones. Old Stepstones. One of our regulars. He's a good guy. Indeed. Yeah, gold futures are up a little bit. Downey man, this market ain't looking good. Dixie's dropping though. Dixie's dropping. Why do I have a feeling? Let me go back over here. Over to crypto real quick. Yeah, what's Bitcoin? Right about 36.8. Gotcha. Solana 55. Anything holding strong? My God. AVAX and Link have sold off. Holy shit. Solana been pumping the most. Look, I mean, you got freaking AVAX down almost 8%, Link down over 7%. Solana's only down 1%, 0.89 actually. Atom's up a little. Yeah, predominantly a lot of these cryptos down. Bonk's holding strong. Oh, it was. Just leveled up 20% down. It's about right the way it was pumping. That thing was just out of control. Okay. BTC. Can get BTC on. Oh, yeah, let me go into this chat here. What are we talking about? Yeah. Yeah, Zentab. I bet. I bet, my friend. Getting a little crazy. Your boys are putting in work, though. I like it. I do not like terrorists. That's for damn sure. All right, let's keep this chat clean, though. I think we turned some people off. It's okay. We talk about everything here. If you're not good with it, there's other streams to watch. We really don't care. Dot. What's dot? We haven't looked dot in a while. I'm going to look at it next. I know old DB likes that. 4 hour on Bitcoin. 4 hour. Yeah, wave trend. What's that 4 hour at? 36,277. Interesting. That's what you want to see. You want to see bounces off that wave trend, though. For sure. It's working its way down. Almost got to the 33 log MA. That wave trend in Fisher. Wave trend's back up above Fisher, too. I mean, this is just a little magnet. I'd be a bit surprised to see a $500 little droppy here on old Bitcoin.
It's a trap.
It's a trap. Still trending, though. Go pair on the weekly. Just got the new week. Didn't look at it earlier. Still above reverse Fisher and trending. Below the 2SD band now. These are the times. These are the times. You got the 981 expanding positive, 525 contracting negative, 2400 flat after contracting negative. Everything on the weekly says, let's go up. Let's see what happens. 5 days still trending. Variance coming down, negatively correlated. Let's see here. And we got some expansion going on here, though, all negatively correlated on the 5 day. Hey, man. Crypto's been out of control, too. Don't get too bullish. Don't get too bullish. Like I said, on the 3 day, man, this thing was setting up hidden bull. That returns oscillator turned back down. Turned back down, and we have been way outside the power mean band on these macro time frames. 9, yeah, see, that's even way too low. Remember, what is it, 33.4? 33.4 is that monthly range. Like I said on Sol and Bitcoin, if it never goes back down there and tests those areas, Bitcoin just starts flying again, not going to be shocked, considering what it did the last day of the month. Yeah, all the trends are turning up. Look at the 2 day. 2 day is losing its power. Losing its power on some bull div. Rejection off the zero mean. That just shows me people selling off is just getting eaten up, man. It's being absorbed. There is enough buy pressure. If there wasn't, this would already be back. This thing would already be, there it is right there too. Then like the 9 log MA on the 2 day is pretty much top of that untested monthly range. That's the thing though. Solana just went just nutso. 33.4. I don't know. Sol would pull back that far. As long as we get some wave trends tested, I don't have a problem with it. But I mean, man, there is just a bunch of bear div. Warning all you bulls out there. If you haven't taken your profits and you're in swing trades just sitting there and you were lucky enough not to get liquidated, I don't know what you're waiting for. Some people are addicted to liquidation, I think. It's no fun.
Yo, Bubba.
Yo.
Can we please look at BTR, USDT? It'll be on one exchange.
BTR.
Yeah. Bravo, Tango, Romeo.
Northern Lights Fund Trust?
Type in USDT. It's a crypto.
Oh, I was going to say, there we go. Boy, done trading a lot of places.
No, you want BitTrue. It'll be the best.
Oh, I just
So if you just type in USDT, I don't know if this is the right one.
There's BitTrue right here. Is that what you want, Tether?
BTC, USDT. Yeah. BTR, USDT, BitTrue. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. What do you think?
I think it's young. I think there's no history even on a damn 4 hour. This thing's jacked up. What's up?
No. This is quite old. It's a couple of years.
What is it?
It's an exchange coin.
Oh, this is BitTrue's coin. Oh, BitTrue coin. I see it right there. Jesus.
Yeah. What do you think?
What do I think?
Because I wasn't expecting this thing to rush this quickly, to be honest, up there.
It's going to go up, down or sideways?
Yeah, here's a weekly. I mean,
I will say this. I am looking for another touch at 2 cents. Just in case. I'll have some orders lying over there. But if not, I'll just let it run.
well, on the weekly just hit the 99.7 Laplace to the penny and pulled back. And this is the first day of the weekly. Let me see here. Where is 0.056 is the 95.4. You got me over here. Oh, Lord.
It's stupid. It's a tough read. It has no reason going that high. Like this, that's doing 100x in a day.
What the hell? There it is.
100x, 100%.
It's starting to look like a pump and dump. Good Lord. Yeah, man. This thing. Okay, so you run up above 5th standard deviation on 4-hour and daily. Pulled back really quick. Just sent a wick back down to the 3rd. 95.4% chance this thing closes below 0.054, which we just saw that number on that chart. Where's the weekly at?
Don't worry, dude. I'm just like asking you to read a book really. Just be like, oh, okay, you see this. And because I'm not saying I'm lost. It's just for me, it's like I needed to burn. They usually burn the token. And if they burnt the token, then I will be like, fine. You can't dump it from where they burnt it. It's going to be quite hard. But they didn't.
Well, here's the top of the weekly.
Well, you can see it appears that we are going down.
Here's the top of the weekly. Right here. Thing just ran away from it on the open. But you got to look at all the... Sent a bunch of wicks on the 15-minute into the top of that tight daily range and the bottom side of the 68.3. Runs up to the 1 SD, pulls back the 68.3. And this thing just cooking, man. Had a little stutter step at the 2 SD and found... Algos are like, oh, let's go. We're going to shoot this shit to like 7th, 8th standard deviation. You look at all these...
I think someone maybe pressed like market buy with like $50,000 and it just destroyed the book to the upside.
Look at this on Sunday though. Look at all the wicks. This looks just like the end of the month where BTC and Sol were just sending wicks down into the new top side of that monthly. Well, here's the top side of the new weekly.
Sketchy, eh?
Yeah, you get a blowout like this. I mean, he knew. That is a blow off for sure. For sure. I mean, you got weekly. Where's this damn monthly at? Is that the top of the monthly or? That is actually top of the monthly range altogether, isn't it? Let me see something. Yeah, man. I mean, what's the date? 13th? Here's the top of the monthly. 0.045. So the rest of this month, so this thing been pumping.
Yeah, I was a dumbass. I let off at like 3 cents, 6 or something. But I chose another coin that should outperform this one, so it'll go right to balance later.
Well, dude, you got to take your profit. This is ridiculous. This thing.
Yeah, I got in at 2 and I've left.
This whole,
you could say 66% of the con to run up.
This whole recent move could get sold right back off. If this thing closes inside the monthly here in a couple weeks, I mean, dude, you're down here at 0.045.
Yeah, ideally, I want this coin cheap.
And it's the top of the weekly. That hasn't been tested, really. Unless we're going to go on the, in that last day, boy, that thing was just bop, 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 bop. It's kind of shot across the bow right here. They were trying to sell it off. Wasn't having it.
Exactly.
Closed one candle below the daily range all day yesterday. One candle. That thing just pop, 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 and then just ripped on the open. And now what? Just died? Turned it off?
This is the thing. with this coin, let's say you have, like we have now, we have a whole bunch of shit coins popping off, right? Like random ones, pepes, memes, whatever. So people taking those gains and they're putting them into coins that you can actually stake. Okay. So now, what this has done is, I think someone's taken a shitload of gains and has obviously bought whatever they wanted. Let's say BTC or Ethereum, just keep the top two. And then they're wanting higher staking interest. So they fucking sweep the floor here so they can get 7% instead of 3 or 4. So to me, it's like a fundamental thing. You know, it's like, okay, whomever pumped this coin thinks that Bitcoin or whatever coin they're in isn't going to go down because they spent a lot of money and they've sort of mispriced themselves now because of it.
Yeah.
Whoever thinks an asset that's volatile can't go down, LOL.
I'm not saying it can't go down. It's just that at the current moment, I don't think there's someone
I'll be right back.
big enough, or the people that are around, whomever hold this coin, they don't have that amount of money to push it back down. Like, be the guest. You know, I'm talking about a guy who's in the top 5 has to short this thing back down if it's one account to do it.
I bet you the exchange has enough.
Yeah, they'll burn as well, so they don't necessarily need it. This is my favorite thing to know what retail is doing. When this thing pumps, then I go, okay. And especially if it's done a big leg like this, that's a whale that's done that. That's a dude who's doing like $500,000. He's trying to lock up.
Right. Well, yeah, or whoever did that is just doing some nice wash trading.
Yeah.
Because you really only do that much of a whale to move that kind of money. Those are less than penny stocks, right? It's not such a huge market.
They would have to clear a lot of these coins because they just sit idle in the book. No one really trades it.
Right. So, I mean, you know, you yourself said, you know, if this looks like a $50,000 position, you know, there's a lot of people who have 50 grand to play with, right?
Yeah.
So, especially in crypto. That's
Yeah.
like not even 1.5 Bitcoin.
I mean, dude, this thing died. What the hell's going on with this damn thing? Look at this. Go down in 1 minute. Hello? Dude, this some... Yeah. Hello.
So sketchy, yeah.
Very sketchy. Remember these exchanges trading against people. Indeed.
Yeah, like for me, this is about the biggest abnormality. Like, you know, out of all the shit coins and whatever, all the meme coins that are pumping, to me, this is the abnormality.
You're sitting right at wave trend. Literally, I mean, this thing goes on some just massive freaking disturbing pump, as we see a lot in crypto, and just slowly peeled right back. Now we got a little movement. But yeah, just came right back down, sent a wick below, closed that 15 above wave trend, been going sideways ever since. Came out of trend, I mean, some random walk, big time. Jesus, I don't know about this thing, man. I know I would have been taking my profit like you did, which is good. This thing could sell off.
Yeah, but crazy. I don't want to be buying. I don't want to be buying this coin a little bit high up. I've got good targets for this thing. This is cheap. I'm looking for a pullback down into your power mean area, you could say. As I said, 2 cents, 2.5.
Crypto. Boop. Just got added to my watch list. Yeah, it's up 25.8%. Interesting. Let's take a quick peek.
You can look at it as an options play. So the same thing, this is priced like an option. So you go and you say, okay, I'm willing to spend whatever, 1,000 BTR for a $400 lot that will yield me 7% interest. So
good morning, Casey. Holy. Oh, that's for the year. I thought that was for the day. I was like, look at KuCoin. Is that KuCoin's coin? KAS? Till is that?
Woo!
1,400%. That's for a year. Let's go today. Here we are. Oh, look, BGB's up 10%. I don't think that's our BGB though. Let me see. Or you would hear me selling. Where the hell's Bitrue's coin? Where the hell's that thing at? It should be on here. No, they're Bitrue haters.
Yeah, maybe it's not there.
But they got different time. It's a weird time frame. Wherever this is located at, where they're pumping this out.
I think it's like a top 300 token. So I don't know if that thing can drop down to the 300. Where it says in the top right screen, it's only showing top 100.
Oh, well, let's just go top 1,000. Shake it up a little bit.
Woo!
Oh, God. This is the last hour. You gotta love shit coins. Let me go to the day, though. Come on, show me.
Dude, I haven't seen like 99% of these names in my life.
Oh, my God. You're not kidding. Yeah, that wasn't a good call. I can get off this. Let's just go top 200. Oh, look. Hey, meme coin. Literally.
Yeah. I was going to trade it today, but I was a bit scared.
And you wonder why people are a little wary of crypto. Oh, I don't know.
Good to see AGIX there. It's about the only one that I'm in.
Right. I love me some Dr. Ben. I love to talk to that guy.
Dude, straight up. And you talk to him with a blunt in your mouth, and he'll have one in his. That's the cool thing about it.
I like his hats.
That's super genius.
He got cool hats. He definitely got cool hats. Yeah, THL, E-Hex down, soup. Yeah, what the fuck is that? All right. Jeez. Hey, here they come. Oh. I definitely wouldn't be buying this right now, I'll tell you that. Damn.
Yeah.
I mean, here's a second standard deviation. It's down here 0.52. 95.4%.
If you want this coin, what you can do is you go and you put, like, what I'm going to do is you can go hunt the daily VRE on Bitrue. You'll see one there down near 2 cents. I'm leaving my orders there because this thing wicks. The same way it went up to the upside, these are full candles, but it usually wicks to the downside.
Right.
So you get filled quite nicely.
Let me turn off this UPN. Jesus.
Yeah, bro.
Knock, knock. Who's there? It's the algos. What do you want? You want to come play? Sure. Jesus.
Yeah. The spread is very wide.
Then it just goes bananas. Here's the 4 hour. Let me pull this in.
That's good to see. So she's losing trend on bottom right. If it goes red, then my pocket money can buy some of this thing a bit later.
What exchange you trade this thing on?
I just use Bitrue for it.
You do use Bitrue for it?
Yeah.
I wonder what their what's their little policies at Bitrue?
They got pretty good rates. They
like Americans?
Like 20% cheaper than 0.001 or whatever it is. So it's like 3085 for the spot fee. But the spread is shit. But if you put your limit order in between the spread, you'll get filled.
So my friend that doesn't live in the States can trade on Bitrue, right?
Yeah. It's like a boutique exchange. You can't use your bank account to send money to it. So a lot of people have access to it.
Yeah. That's the way it should be. Screw the banks. Screw the banks. It's easy to say when you've already on ramped. Just stay in the crypto realm. That's what a lot of people do. I don't blame you. Banks are crooks, man. Banks are crooks. I mean, this 4 hour did send a big nasty down there on the 4 hour. That thing hit. Blow this up. Dude, I mean, I can't even freaking. This thing won't even give a 4-hour read. Oh yeah, it's
okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's just jacked up. Too much shit going on. Interesting.
And V-Chain, what do you think about V-Chain? She's been doing good. I've been chilling her in the cave.
V-Chain.
And the boys have been hitting. That's what I hit it hard from 2 cents to 2.2 cents.
Yeah, I don't like V-Chain. But
I think it's taking.
Doesn't matter what I like.
I'm scalping this thing today because I don't know if it's gonna fucking shoot through to the bottom quick. But I am scalping her. I'm collecting here and there, here and there, here and there.
Let's see here. Well, weekly's tested.
Oh, did you say you've been shilling it in the cave?
Oh.
Yeah, dude. Homies. They're good friends of mine. You know, they're like you guys. You met me when I was very young, man.
1, 2. You're up above the second resistance level. Yeah, he's our spy in the cave, man. He's over there freaking. He's over there hitting him with the VEPS. You need to just tell them all.
Come on, bro.
To just tell them they're all retarded and they're following around an ape. A little hairy, short Norwegian ape. I want to see this freaking MMA match between him and the other crypto dude.
Yeah, boxing.
Is it just boxing? Even better.
Cotton, I reckon you can just throw that up.
Go expose him. I'll box him. Set it up.
Set it up?
Sure, why not?
These nuts.
Okay.
He's got to come to the States, though.
Yeah?
Sure. Tell Bilbo will box you.
I will, dude.
I'm at least 20 years older than him. See how that plays out.
Bally power versus ape power, it'll be good. Or yeah, we call it bally power. When you get older, you get like more dense muscles. So like you can bench harder, you can throw punches harder. It'll be a good matchup.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, I'm looking for a V-chain breakout about 23 whatever units it is here, and then that's it done with its like 3-day macro pivot. Then she mean reverts. I think the mean reversion is about 5 cents.
Here's the thing. Here's the top of the monthly right here on V-chain, 0.02403. Top of the monthly. Yeah. Second resistance level on the monthly was right below the center of the new weekly. Been tested thoroughly. I mean, yeah, man. I mean, it could go here. See here, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Running in between Fisher and Wave Trend. Got to get up here, flip all this around. I mean, it can. Yeah. You see the daily.
So yeah, the 12-hour time frame. Can I just see what it looks like on yours? I've been watching this thing. It's been obviously it lifted up through positive drift. This is the stage where it's like messing around, trying to get into the expansion phase. So I just want to see if okay. So your bottom right.
It's getting ready to cross the zero.
I've got about 36 hours on this thing, and then it pumps. Yeah. Or like I'm guessing it's gonna pump.
Yeah, but man, the ebb and flow going on the low length volatility is saying the exact opposite, to be honest. Let me see here.
Yeah.
But you're getting ready to cross the zero mean here on a little bit of bull div from like right here to here. But it's setting up hidden bear.
Yeah, so that hidden bear is that 23 unit mark that I have. That's its macro pivot.
This thing could bounce down to 2 cents again easily.
Yeah, I've got a buy order sitting 0.1710.
0.1710. Damn this thing. What the fuck, man? Yeah, this is just kooky McGooky, man. Let me scale this up.
The thing at the bottom, it's that dotted line at the bottom that's scaling you. Funny.
There's a wave trend at. Yeah, 0.01863 is the daily wave trend.
1863. Yeah, I also have one of those targets.
It's 0.01883.
17 is the bottom of the wave trend.
Yeah, you could throw something at 0.019. Know what you said anyway? Probably wouldn't be too bad.
1.7.
1.7. That's a little lower. Like just
Yeah, pretty much the breakout for Coinbase listing.
So we got down there. I mean, if you're talking just 1.7 flat, that's a pretty much. I mean, down below the 33. 33 is at what? 0.01871.
I'm putting the fucking house on the line over there. And I got broke either for the failed dumperoo when I wake up.
Yeah. It's the 9 log MA is down at 0.01733. You're sitting up here above wave trend on the weekly though. And the DLP's building. I don't know, man.
I got targets for this, Bilbo. I got targets for this, G.
I got targets.
We got a $1 target. We got a $15 target. Well, I don't know if you're willing to risk it. But I'd rather risk it here than on Meme or Pepe. For me, personally.
Mimi, Pepe. There's... I miss the days explaining crypto to noobs. It's okay. You'll be fine. Get your shit together. Put on your jump boots. We're going into an active war zone. Shit is crazy, as usual. You're right at the 15-minute wave trend now.
Yeah, so this is that lower, that's that div. If it doesn't clear this thing, whichever bad div you call will weave from this.
Yeah.
Failure here.
I mean, it's 11, sending wicks down into this freaking fissure. Rejecting off a wave trend. Boop, boop, bam. Boop, boop. If it does it again, I mean, you're talking...
What's that?
0.021. This thing rejects the fissure again here over the next hour.
There you go. You see how that thing came in, bro? It's getting me nervous here. I got my last buy order was at $19.95. That was a little one. It was like $60 or $50.
See the old dirty son of a bitch. Yeah, these shit coins doesn't like the freaking power mean band, man. Or above. 1 minute. That's where the algos play. Yeah, just send a wick right down to the bottom of the power mean band on the 1 minute. I mean, to the dollar. Interesting. Trying to keep it up.
That's actually a front run if it keeps it up above that wave trend.
That
wick. If you click on the candles, you can set like the pixel range, so you don't suffer from this. So it'll load 5 or load like 100 pixels above current price action and 100 pixels below current price action every time you click on a chart. So the actual candlesticks, if you click on them, trading view settings, somewhere in there.
Or you could just go to Bitcoin.
Yeah,
and
dude,
it populates just fine.
I can't trade shitcoins anymore. The Bitcoin's a moneymaker.
Yeah, Matt, that is a good video. I've seen it several times. That dude talking shit. That old guy just lights him up, man. He's bobbing and weaving, coming inside and just jacking that young kid. I mean, what do you do at that point?
Yeah.
At that point, you're like, oh, fuck, I made a mistake. It's like, yep, you sure did. You sure did. Don't mess with the old guy. Don't mess with the old guy.
Ooh, I'm in a chart looking for mean reversion while still in trend.
Right. And Bitcoin looks like it's making a 1 minute move, having fun. Good Lord. 55.87. Yeah, sold. Goddamn, sold pulled back good. I like it though. Come on. Where you at? Whee! Boom. So where this thing open up on Z Daily right here. Yeah, there we go. 59.7, boom, boom. What gonna do here? What was the high of the day? 59.88. Almost got back up to 60. Got a few shorts piling on, of course. wintertime, though. Gotta wear pants. Gotta wear pants. I don't know. There's those special creatures out there. These guys that wear shorts in the winter. I don't get it. No, I don't get it. You start breeding little super shorts.
One coin that I'm going to regret not getting into is going to be DOT.
DOT?
I think DOT. Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's not
I don't know the whole DEX bullshit and stuff, but I bought like 3,000 of these tokens and it was at $1, $2. I sold it pretty much like for no profit when it was listed. And I just hate myself for doing that. So I think I may have to pick some up just out of regret.
What's it, a 560 right now? Rejected from the monthly. You see some at the top of the monthly, like everything else in crypto, or a lot of things. Yeah, DOT hit the top of its monthly range too, man. Indeed.
Yeah.
That's just like Sol. I mean, hell, a week and a half into the monthly, you're at the top of the monthly range. Yeah. I see only downside. I see sideways to downside the rest of the month for like a lot of this stuff. It just burned it up in the first couple of weeks. Didn't even give it a chance, and we're a little slow grind to the top side throughout the month. Gave it to us all at once. That's why, man, if you're in longs and you haven't taken profit, you deserve to get wrecked. You deserve to get wrecked. But not everybody has these ranges. I mean, look at that perfect rejection earlier, even today. Then it runs down, wick right into the 2SD, 95.4 Laplace. Now it's back up above the weekly range at the 1SD. There's just nowhere on the top side to go to. I mean, there is. I mean, we got a lot of, that's what I'm saying. Just like that BitTrue. You're way outside the monthly range, but it's only the 13th. You got plenty of time to pull back inside that monthly range. So I was making some posts in, the whale Discord, and people were getting confused. It's all good. Those are daily probabilities on Sol. And it did come back down and close just barely above that 3SD that day. It's nice knowing where the probability levels are at, though. Where these distribution levels are. Very powerful.
Especially in times like this.
Yeah.
I sometimes help them out there in the cave. No one has the TA. We just pop it on in 15 minutes. You draw some TA lines. Yeah. And you should check price in like 15 seconds. Just go run for them. Pretty good.
Well, we got 3 minutes. I like starting at 9:22. We're trying to throw the algo on TV and do a little tizzy. Get some better views. Yes, indeed. Whoops, where'd I go? There I am. KC Lewis in the house. Got anything you want to look at before we take off? Are you still in the chat? We're about to find out. See if something pops up. I will look at it for you. For you. Yeah, so DOT down almost 2%. Let's take a look at DOT on the charts here. Yikes. Yeah, it's always been a little bit of a liquidity issue. Let's look at the weekly. Yo, boy. You're at the wave trend on the weekly, old DOT. Yeah, I think you're going to have an opportunity to buy some of that DOT at a lower price, Warlord.
Yeah, I'm hoping so, bro. I'll definitely buy some at $1, $2, maybe $3. I saw the reversal here at 4, but I didn't have cash to hit it.
Even though there's no bear div. I mean, good Lord. Work down through here. What's his 5-day look like? Above wave trend. 3-day. Way above. 2-day probably hitting that freaking fish. Up above. Wave trend crossing up Fisher. Yikes. 4.47. It's a good little target there. Like a lot of cryptos, man, up on these high time frames. Way outside. Mean reversion will happen. Nice trends, though. Good Lord. Look at the bear div. This thing's below the zero mean. 2-day. I am surprised that 9 hasn't flipped yet. That is coming. That probably is coming. There you go. The 9 on the daily has. All right. Return's still above the mean, but the variance is coming back down. That thing turns gray. Variance is stabilized at a low level, ready to expand again. And the 99 did too. It's just, or no, the 33 and the 9. Wave trend getting ready to cross up the 99. This is a good area. 446, 447. That's the same on the 2-day. See the 4 hour. We're just going the 4 hour. Come on, Dot. Old Gavin. Him and Charles took off from Ethereum. We're going to start our own thing. Vitalik won't listen to us. This whole thing needs rebuilt. It's a gas scam. We're out of here. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. I mean, it's been a minute on the 4 hour, but Dot did come down right here. Didn't close it, hasn't closed the candle below the 33. I mean, crypto just in general, just wow. Hell of a run. It would make me feel a lot more comfortable though, seeing a nice pullback.
It actually could be a quick little long as a young Dot.
Yeah, bouncing right here. Yeah, man. I mean, it's coming off bull div. Definitely coming off bull div. Right when that thing crosses zero mean, would have been a good time for that nice little scalperoo. But you got volatility, man. I don't know. You're below the 33 too. It'd be a quickie. It'd be a real quickie.
It's getting 10, 20 cents max, maybe.
It's 45. You could be just the exact opposite. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I don't know about longs. Although you do, I mean, you got to, if this thing's coming up the wave trend, you got, what is that at 0.63? Yeah, 5 cents. I don't know, man. Good little scalp though. See the 33 minute setting up hidden bear. Is it going to reject here? Is it going to go to wave trend? 5.6 about same area. It's just 15 minute. 15 minute. What do you look like, buddy? You're below there too.
Perfect. RO matching your power mean there. That yellow blue outlier event from it.
What's that?
An expansion phase coming in there.
Traction negative. What are we doing down here? Contracting negative. Wow. Yeah, it sure looks like it wants to. I don't know, man. There is no bear div either. Total random walk. You going to trend for us? I mean, you got low length volatility contracting negative, 2400 contracting negative, 981's freaking up here still expanding a little bit positive. Anywhere above wave trend? Jesus, can't even get above the 9 minute though, man. That's where the workflow comes in. You start getting above there, then yeah. I could see some of those higher wave trends get tested. Where's this 6 minute? Above, coming back down the test. Yeah, but drop below it. I mean, if you want to give this thing a chance to flip, time to do it is now. Let's see if it bounces right here. Probably no problem. That's a 9 and the 33. With some bear div though. With some bear div.
Get someone there.
It'll be setting up hidden bull though. In the slow. Pop from there. Yeah. Returns oscillators. Just it's not below. It's not a lower low yet though. Yeah. I mean, I've always liked that. I was in a little while back in the day. But yeah, Solana, Bitcoin, I like. Stack them. AVAX still selling off. Yeah, we're about to jump out of here to Hex, Bonk, both down. Must be correlated. You know you're true degen if you're correlating Hex and Bonk. Let's see here. Indeed. Oh, I don't want that. There we go. I want to look at AVAX though over here.
Yeah, AVAX has been a runner or something today. I actually haven't checked it. A lot of guys talking about that and Link.
Below the
Stinky
2SD, inside the weekly, You're inside the weekly range. You're below the 2 SD, 95.4 Laplace. Rejected off the top side of the 68.3. Immediately came down, tested the weekly. Now you're below. So, I mean, you're literally right now 95.4% chance that AVAC's going to close right around here. Right around here. But that's what, 8 hours? Yeah, 8 hours. Pretty sure it closes at 7 Eastern now. Was it 8? Fall back. Let's see. Fall back, spring, forward. Can't wait till they get rid of that stupid shit. They're just seeing how much they can just manipulate the humans. Let's just change the clock on them and see if they all go for it. It'd be funny if everybody was like, no, we're not changing our clocks. Screw you. Okay, you're going to be late for work. Or am I going to be early?
Does Bitcoin adjust? How does Bitcoin work? Is it smart enough to catch the leap year second? You know?
Is Bitcoin smart enough to do what?
So every 4 years there's the leap year, and it adds on, or every year as the world slows down spinning, you're minus 1 second or something for each year on the clock. Right? Now Bitcoin started, let's just say it's 1 second a year. So Bitcoin started, what was it, 15 years ago, 12 years ago? I don't know now. So it could be 12 seconds difference.
Like the end of
So the clock we're looking at on our computer, but the Bitcoin one is 12 seconds behind the Bitcoin clock. Does that make sense?
Let me see.
Or does it? I'd like to ask Yasha this, but he's not here.
I'm going to throw an emoji on here, what I think about leap years. Where you at? There we go. Was trying to find the melty face where it's just melting into a pile, but yeah, there wasn't one. Yeah, I don't know, man. Bitcoin is smarter than the people that made the calendar, I would imagine. Just silly shit.
Okay, good observation.
You know what the most correct on-point calendar in the world is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mayan calendar. It's actually calculated correctly. If you look at the Gregorian calendar, it's like having a 12-inch ruler, and all the inches are just different lengths.
Okay.
Yeah, the Mayan calendar is, study it. You'll see what I'm talking about.
Oh, God.
Of course, everybody's like, oh no, end of the world, right? 2012. Mayan calendar's in it. It didn't end. People are just fucking looking, all the doomsdayers. When? When's the world going to end? We haven't blown it up enough yet. We're good. When the lizard people return, then we're screwed. And we're really screwed. Where do you think all these people disappear to? We're lizard food, man. Let's see here. Made a pact with the alien races. We'll feed you humans if you don't destroy us. And they're like, okay. It's like a buffet on Earth. We'll just hang out and eat your people. All right. We went too deep. Yeah, let's get off here, man. Today's closes are pretty important. This will be fun going through the week. I'm not saying crypto can't have any more pumps, but guys, there's a lot of cryptos that hit the top of their monthly range within the first 2 weeks. So does that mean volatility is going to kick up? Can we see some massive moves? Absolutely, we can see some massive moves because, in my opinion, crypto is very bullish. I'm not saying these bears can't jump on the freaking elevator and take this thing down many percentage points and then rip it right back up to the top side. So pay attention. This is why we trade low time frame volatility, because none of that matters. The time frames that really matter are down here. When I trade, anyway. The macro is just setting up biases for intraday trades. That's all. And lately in crypto, my bias has been to the top side. So how has that been treating me? Very well. Very well. Take risk off, trade the counter trade my bias. You're all good. Risk on with the trades of the top side. Pretty simple. Until it's not, right? That's when you take a break. That's when you take a break. Because you can get burned out.
Very well. Scalp, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. All right, guys. Thanks for all the support in the Discord. You guys are awesome. Trading View as well. Love it. Views are falling off a little bit. Yeah, people are focusing, all right? Let's get back at it tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's what I'm saying. Today's daily closes going forth through the week is going to help a lot. We got to see where all this closes, and I will be paying attention. I'm going to go out for a nice little ride later, but other than that, I'm chilling inside. I'll be on the monitors. So, yeah, I'll be in the chats. Probably today and tomorrow, to be honest. It's supposed to be sunny and 55, 60 both days. It's beautiful. Got a lot of work to do. All right, wherever you live at on this big, beautiful blue marble, have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. Be smart with those trades. Keep them on low time frames. Let's go. Alpha trading for the win. Peace, guys.